The whole thing definitely won't fit in my mouth. But, look at that.
Yeah, we don't want to tell you the last.
But we're not just here to cross-country ski. We're here to meet private chef Ainsley Rose Thompson, who's cooking something special deep in the hills.
I've always loved the snow. Then I discovered I love food in the snow just as much. When I was in the mountains, I couldn't get enough of that food and beverage vibe. I'd ride hard for the next long lunch and après ski. It brought me laughs, loves and good times. My name is JD. I have a food and snow obsession that takes me to mountain destinations around the world. I love nothing more than sharing my obsession with friends, locals and you. We meet chefs, we chat, we cook, we feast, we drink. This is SNOWCHEF.
In this episode, we are deep in Wanaka, chasing fresh snow, bold flavours and local legends. Food, snow and soul, Wanaka style. We start the day at Dripping Bowl, Wanaka's wholesome little gem serving up soulful bowls and great coffee. It's here we cross paths with local chef Evelyn and Ainsley, and there's good vibes straight away.
So we're just making our lamb Buddha bowl. On top of that one, we put a mint yogurt. These are our pickled red onions, pickled with rapadura sugar, apple cider vinegar, and white vinegar. So the idea is to get as much plant material as possible. Your ideal is to have 20 to 30 different plant materials throughout the week to build up your resilience the best you can. So these are our homemade sauces. This is the chermoula, which is a Northern African style sauce. Cumin, paprika, honey, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, the usual. And then we have our chimichurri, which is a traditional South American sauce. I usually put a little bit of each sauce on different items so you're not eating the same thing in every bite. And that's it.
So Evelyn, tell me more about where we are. Tell me more about Fresh Link.
So Fresh Inc. is a local grocer here in Wānaka, and they pretty much focus on supporting as many local growers as they can, and then they bring in organics as a secondary value, and the third is to fulfill the rest of people's needs as well, with having only whole foods, no numbered shit, no crap in anything available on the shelves.
Oh, that sounds perfect. Absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
All right, so Evelyn, what have you got in store for us tonight?
Well, I'm thinking that we'll do some Burgard kumara on the fire, wrap that in tin foil, and then we'll also get some potatoes, and we'll do like a warm potato salad on the spread. And then we're gonna have some smoked lamb shoulder, some wild venison burgers, and then we'll get enough like nice spring veggies for our mixed green salad.
Wow, okay, sounds like you're really turning it on for us. This
Always.
sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Evelyn, this looks like quite the haul, and I cannot wait to see what you do with it tonight.
Yeah, it's gonna be a great one. We're gonna have a big old cook-up.
Very excited. Can't wait.
Next stop, a SNOWCHEF favourite. Tucked down a laneway, Federal Diner serves up classic brunch with a local twist. It's cosy, cool, and just what we need before chasing snow. With a fresh storm dropping powder up high, we make tracks to Snow Farm. But we're not just here to cross-country ski. We're here to meet private chef Ainsley Rose Thompson, who's cooking something special deep in the hills. We click into cross-country skis and glide our way to a backcountry hut, where Chef Ainsley's got the fire going and the flavours dialed in. It's wild, remote, and absolutely delicious.
Make it to this hut one way or another. I think we're almost there.
Finally getting the hang of it.
So this is why I would definitely bring a private chef up here. It's because I'm hungry.
I know, we've got hot chocolate to start. Just wait, you guys.
That'll be so good. We are here with Chef Ainsley at Meadow Huts.
Woohoo!
Woo!
Yes.
So I've just got, I kind of like take a chunk of this beautifully marinated tar mince.
Yep.
I've used like herbs and spices, cumin, paprika.
And what's
mint.
tarn?
Tar, T-H-A-R. It's like a mountain goat.
Ah.
So I take, and it would live in this basin and in this region and probably in these mountains when it is not snowing. I just squash the kebab stick right in.
Yep.
And then just mould the meat onto it. And sweeten it out.
This is pretty luxe.
Yeah, it's super rich.
Oh my goodness.
So guys, I've got the first course for you. I have in here, your wee package of goodness is the Whitestone Mount Domit brie, some Barry's Bay cracked pepper cheddar, some brown sugar poached pears, just a little bit of venison salami. And from Premium Game as well, the same people supply the tar. And then I have my favourite blue cheese, it's the the Whitestone Oamaru Windsor blue cheese, it's just a real classic.
Wow.
And some fig paste.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, enjoy. And your hot chocolate.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Is this all predominantly local?
It's all from Central Otago, yeah.
Yeah, wow. Amazing.
I haven't made this before. This is probably the thing I like most about my job, really, is I just constantly make new things.
Tell me, you've been doing this private chefing for a while now?
Yeah, for 2 years. It's been awesome. I started with like an 11-day full service job, and it was just such a cool experience being able to get to know the people and make some really beautiful meals and and make them food that they loved.
And this is legit SNOWCHEF.
Legit SNOWCHEF. It's
right
actually
here,
snowing.
folks. So before this tar
Yeah,
gets too cold, let's go eat it.
come on in. So I've made these roasted kumara, some little bits of orange, just a super nice flavour
Oh, that's funky.
with the golden
Where
kumara.
does that idea come from?
My mum used to always make a salad with kumara, bacon and orange.
Oh, wow.
I've always used a lot of fruit in my cookery too. And this is some tarragon that got snowed on this morning in my garden. Got some whipped feta here. I've been using this
Is
as
that
an
going too
entree.
much, or is
No,
that
it's
too
good,
much?
it's good.
Oh my God.
It's super nice. And I've made a dressing here. I just use the container because where we are. So I use some wild thyme honey, the orange juice, a little bit of Dijon mustard.
Well, there's so much food here. We better get Rani in. Rani, come on.
And I've got a glass of Amord Pinot Noir. This is a Wānaka-based winery. They named their winery after Mount Maud, which is just over the hill here.
Oh, yeah.
And Pinot just goes so well with, really just lovely with, it'll be really lovely with the tar, and is also really nice. Just a light, beautiful light red, a lot different to the Aussie reds. Yeah, enjoy guys.
Well, thank you. This is the most legit SNOWCHEF session we've had, I reckon.
Oh wow.
Wow, it's bubbling.
Hard-earned after
All that steam.
Yeah.
What a funky little taste.
Oh yum.
Sticky, sticky, sticky. My tooppies. Ainsley, thank you so much. This has been one of the best SNOWCHEF sessions ever. Meadow hut, snow farm. What a great idea it was to come up here, but we're pretty much done. We've got to get on these skis.
Yes.
Thank you for a private chef extravaganza.
You're welcome.
Ready to
It was
go?
my pleasure, yeah.
Thank you so much. People, if you want to get a private chef in the Queenstown region, Otago, is that?
Queenstown.
Queenstown, so yeah, Queenstown region, look up Chef Ainsley. Where can they find you?
And my direct contact is easiest through Instagram, Ainsley Rose Private Chef, or they can email me, ainsleyrosecooks@gmail.com.
All right.
Yep.
Let's do it, folks. That was the best.
Woo! Woo!
Back down the mountain, we stop in for a cheeky tasting at Cardrona Distillery. Small batch, high altitude, and seriously smooth. It's local spirit in every sense. With golden hour kicking in, we roll up to Rippon Winery. Epic lake views, elegant wines, and, to our surprise, a winter pop-up restaurant by the Chef's Table crew. A meal that we won't be forgetting. The next morning, boards are loaded and we're off to Treble Cone. Big terrain, wild views, and a few solid turns to keep the legs honest.
We out here though, Treble Cone, day 2 already, the big TC, you know what it is.
After carving the mountain, it's time to unwind. We head back into Wanaka for some modern Asian eats and banging cocktails at Food Dog, the perfect spot to toast the day. To wrap it all up, we head back to the artist house, where I join Chef Evelyn in the kitchen and assist in bringing the flavours of the week full circle. Fresh, local, and straight from the heart.
So we finished up our little shopping haul and I'm here with Chef Evelyn at the artist house in the kitchen, and it looks like we're going to cook up a feast. This looks amazing. So can you tell us what you have planned for us?
Yeah, so we're lucky enough to get some power. This is some power that we got free diving on the West Coast with my partner Jimmy. And so we're going to cook that up on the Weber barbecue there. And then we're going to move into our mains, which is some wild venison patties, which my partner killed as well at the Cardona Valley.
Okay, wow.
And those are going to be with a rose hip and elderberry aioli with some pickled beetroot that I've made. And then we're also going to have a green salad with local greens. And that's going to have an almond butter vinaigrette with tamari roasted almonds, as well as some fresh coriander on there. Some roasted potatoes with mint clarified butter. And I think that's it.
Oh, that sounds amazing. That sounds like a lot. I'm very, very excited about that.
Correct.
So we're chatting earlier and you said that you like to make sure that everything you source, it's sourced ethically and sustainably. With the meats here and the proteins that we're eating, you guys have hunted this yourself.
Yeah. Jimmy, my partner, he's a hunter and I'm a chef, so we make a winning combo.
Oh, that sounds good.
And he just loves it. So he goes up and goes to Cardona Valley or the West Coast and does hunting and then brings back the meat. And we just get it processed locally, anything that we don't do ourselves.
Ah, that sounds awesome.
Cool. So we're just going to cook up some of the power that we had caught. We're using the Weber today, and I just got a big cast iron frying pan and got it real nice and hot.
Okay.
Here's some clarified butter so the butter solids don't burn before we get our meat in.
Yeah.
These are just going to be flash fried for maximum like 45 seconds.
Okay, cool. Oh, that's is looking hot.
So there's garlic, onions, and a little bit of salt and olive oil in these guys.
I definitely think the fur coat is helping with the cooking process. So.
Absolutely.
Yep, 100%.
That's us.
That was pretty quick.
That's us. We'll have a little entree.
I cannot wait to get this in my mouth. All right, shall we eat?
Get into it.
Okay.
Perfection. Yeah, so I'm just making up the venison burger patties right now. I keep it pretty clean because the venison is just delicious on its own. So I just do a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. And they end up delicious. Yeah.
I mean, I'm just kind of like curating, I guess. Get the raw one.
You always want a double layer so you get on everything because it sucks when all the initial eaters get to have all the deliciousness.
Okay, hopefully that smell up higher.
Woo-wee.
These are from your chicken.
These are from my chickens, my 3 little hens.
Yes.
Oh,
Amazing. That cheese. Okay.
choose your own adventure as you will.
I'm just gonna do the same because I trust the way you're doing this is gonna taste the best.
Yeah, there's definitely personal
Yeah.
preferences.
Please don't drop this.
That's on top of that.
Oh, this looks excellent. Pretty.
Should we?
happy with that. Oh, that looks so good. Do it.
Absolutely.
These look absolutely amazing. Tell you a quick fun story.
Please.
So my nickname, Ramberg or Ramburger, is pretty much when I was on a school excursion. I loved burgers, everyone knew it. We're on the bus and we went to Macca's and I shoved a whole burger on my mouth and I ate it. And that's how I got my name, Ramberg. But these ones look really big, so I don't think I'll be able to fit this whole thing in my mouth. So
I don't know, challenge accepted.
don't know if I can recreate that one, but I think we should get into it.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh,
Cheers.
cheers.
Thank you. This
Thanks
is
for coming.
amazing. Let's do it.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
That was so good.
That was amazing.
I know I made it, but
The whole thing definitely won't
It's
fit in my
still
mouth, but oh, look at that.
yeah,
The
we don't want to
cheese
take you to
is
the hospital.
amazing. So that was absolutely amazing. I'm ready to go have a nap to go digest that incredible burger. Evelyn, thank you so much for taking us on this food journey with you.
Oh, you're welcome. It's such a pleasure. Yeah, thanks for coming to Wanaka and just checking us out.
Yeah, it's been amazing. Thank you.
Okay, my pleasure.
Hey guys, if you love snow and food as much as I do, come follow us at SNOWCHEF and come along on our journey through New Zealand.